I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like...
Presenting the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G. It comes in color options of Hyper Blue and Hyper Black. The phone has display of 16.3 centimeters, 6.4 inch. The phone also has full HD++ display. It has 48MP plus 8MP plus 2MP 16MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery. It has 6GB RAM and expandable up to 256GB. 128GB ROM and expandable memory up to 256GB. It runs on Android 12. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 925G powerful gaming processor. It also features front camera and camera.